How to start affiliate marketing with no money. You've got no money and you want to start affiliate marketing. You want to earn an income. Then, if you have the dedication and desire to succeed in affiliate marketing, then you need to check out Rankia Digital. Because with no money in your pocket, I am willing to cover a domain name and web hosting and setup, perfectly optimized WordPress site for you so you can easily promote Rankia courses as well as diploma in digital marketing. This is something new. That means not many people on YouTube will show you, most of them will say, oh, you've got no money, here's how you start affiliate marketing. But with Rankia, I put my money where my mouth is, so to speak. Makes sense? Because it's a great feeling to know that on this planet there are many individuals who are feeding themselves as well as their families because of Rankia videos. They learn it. Most SEO freelancers learn from Rankia. They go on Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, using the knowledge that I share with them. Makes sense? You don't have to become an SEO guru, but rather explore Rankia Digital. I have a great product that helps anyone who becomes a premium member. Because whoever watches the private videos, they'll gain better results. Whoever hires Rankia will have better results, as in hires for services. You can promote Rankia because I have an affiliate area now, and I cover the cost for you to set up. That means you can start an affiliate marketing with no initial money in your pocket, but rather have experienced person like Rankia. My name is Tolga, but the brand Rankia is behind you. And if you're dedicated and serious, then you can definitely earn great income on internet through affiliate marketing. If you're interested, I shouldn't say comment on this video, but let's keep things private. Simply contact me from my rankia.digital site, it's a new site, or simply read the affiliate terms and sign up, and let's get started. In either case, I am wishing you greatest possible success on internet through your affiliate marketing endeavors. And I'd love to hear your success story one way or another. Comment on this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Rankia YouTube channel, because I show you no other person, as in whatever all these so-called gurus talk about SEO, most of them you can just wipe that knowledge away, because 99% of SEO related videos are all BS, and most people who say, oh, I am guru, they work in their pajamas, and all they do is just talk, and never show you what's really working. Rankia videos works different. You can rank in Google in 24 hours. You can rank YouTube videos instantly. That's the knowledge you need to have for affiliate marketing. As in anything digital, you need to tap into Google, YouTube, Facebook. Rankia YouTube channel covers all of them. And I'll talk with you in the next video session.